Hello everyone, this is Shruti Saxena Das, and in today's video we are going to discuss about deletion in binary search tree. So just a quick uh, reminder about binary search tree, that in this tree all the nodes which are in the left of the root are having values less than or equals to the root node, and all the nodes which are lying in the right of the root node will be having values greater than the root node. So any tree which is following these properties is known as binary search tree, and we have already discussed about the insertion in binary search tree. So always you have to insert a new node in the leaf. So you have to traverse till leaf, and then you have to compare till leaf, and then you have to insert the particular node. And today we are going to discuss about deletion in binary search tree. So if you want to delete any node in case of binary search tree, then there are three ways to do it. Okay, the first way we'll discuss step by step. See, binary search tree is a binary tree. Binary tree means you can have either 0 child or 1 child or 2 child nodes. So for deletion we are going to discuss in the similar way, that if suppose you want to delete a node which is having no child, that means if you want to delete a leaf node, or second case will be if you want to delete a node with 1 child, and the third case will be if you want to delete a node with 2 child nodes. So we'll start with the first one, that if node is a leaf node. Okay, if the node which you want to delete is a leaf node, in that case what you have to do, simply you can remove that particular node, you can free the allocated space, and you can replace that node with the null. So what will happen, simply remove it, okay, and free the allocated space. So we can replace that node with null value. Okay, now consider the scenario. Suppose this is the tree, 40 is the root node, in the left we are having 20, in the right we are having 80, and in the next level we are having 15 and 25 as the child nodes of 20, and 60 and 90 as the child nodes of 80. So this is the tree. If suppose this is the tree, and if you want to delete any leaf node, that means if you want to delete either 15 or 25 or 60 or 90, any of the leaf node. Leaf node means the node which is not having any child node. So if you want to delete any of the leaf node, then in that case simply we can remove it. Suppose if you want to delete 15, then what you have to do, you have to traverse till the parent of your node which you want to delete, and in the left pointer simply we'll place the null instead of 15. Okay, so if you want to delete a child node, simply we can remove it by placing null in the left pointer of this parent node. If suppose you want to delete 25, then you can place null in the right of parent node. Okay, so this is the way that if you want to delete any node which is a leaf node, then simply we can remove it and we can replace it by null. So you have to check whether that particular node is having child nodes or not. If for any node left and right pointers are null, that means it is a leaf node, and if any node which is having left and right pointer as null, then simply what you have to do, you have to use free function, and using free function you can simply remove it. Okay, the second case says, so this case will be same for all the leaf nodes. If suppose you want to delete 90, 90 is a leaf node, it is not having any child node. So how to check that whether a particular node is a child node or not? If the left and right pointer of that node are null, that means it is a leaf node. For 80, left pointer must be pointing to 60 and right pointer must be pointing to 90. But for 90, left and right both are null. So if both the pointers are null, in that case, that will be your leaf node, and simply you can remove the leaf node by using free function. The second case is that the node which you want to delete, or the node to be deleted, has only one child. So if the node is having only one child, in that case what you have to do? We have to remove the node and replace it with its child. So if the situation is that either of the left pointer or right pointer of that node which you want to delete, okay, is there, then in that case you have to remove the node and replace it with the child. Now suppose if the situation is suppose this is the situation that we have 20, 80, and suppose here we are having only one child as 25, here we are having 60 and 90. Suppose this is the tree. Now here 20 is the node which is having only one child, okay. So if suppose we want to delete 20, okay, so the operation which we have to perform is delete 20. Delete the node 20, delete the node which is having value 20. In that case, see, here the scenario is that 20 is not a leaf node, it is having one child. So if any node is having one child, in that case what you have to do? You have to replace it by its single child. So what you have to do? Simply we'll replace it. That means what we are going to do? See, 40. This will remain untouched. 20 we want to delete, we'll replace it with 25. So 25 will come here and 20 will come here. We'll replace it or simply swap it. And now 20 is the leaf node and we can delete it. Okay. So this is what we have to do if we want to delete a node with a single child. You have to replace it with the child node, single child node, and after replacing, or if you want to swap, you can swap it. After swapping, the node which you want to delete will become the leaf node and you can delete it just like the first case. Okay, so this is the scenario of node which is having a single child. Now the third scenario says that if the node which you want to delete is having two child nodes or two children. So we'll discuss it, that third scenario, that if node to be deleted has two children. Say if I want to delete a node which is having two child nodes, in that case what you have to do? You have to find the in order successor. You have to find out the in order traversal for that tree, and the in order successor is needed because you have to replace that node with the in order successor. So what you have to do, suppose this is the tree, Okay, if this is the tree, first of all, suppose the operation which you have to perform is delete 80. Now you have to check whenever you have to delete any node in case of BST, then you need to check that that particular node is having 0 child, 1 child or 2 child nodes. So here 80 we have to delete, and 80 is having 2 child nodes, 60 and 90. So what you have to do, in case the node which you want to delete is having 2 child nodes, then you have to find out the in order successor. So for in order successor, we need to write down the in order traversal of this tree. In order traversal means left, root, right. What is the in order traversal? In order traversal is, first of all, you have to traverse left, then root, then right. So we'll start from here. For 40, left is this part. Okay, again this is a subtree. For this, left is missing, root, right. So that means 20 will be visited first, and then 25. Left part of 40 is finished. So left, root, right. So left part is finished. We'll visit 40, and then we'll visit the right part of this 40. Again, right part of 40 is a subtree. Apply in order in this subtree, left, root, right. So 60, 80, 90. Now what is the successor of the node which we want to delete? We want to delete 80. Successor of that node is 90. So that means we have to replace the node which we want to delete with 90. So what we are going to do? Sorry, this 80 will be replaced by 90. Okay, and here 80 will come, and this will become your leaf node and will be deleted easily. Okay, so what you have to do, in case you want to delete any node which is having 2 children, in that case you have to find out the in order successor, and you have to replace it with that node. In this case, 80 is replaced by 90. 80 will become leaf node, and easily it can be removed. Okay, so we'll take one more example for this case, because this is quite complicated, this third case. So we'll take one more example. Suppose this is the tree. Okay, this is 50 and this is 70. So this is the tree. We are having 52 as root node, then left child as 27, 90 as the right child. So this is the tree which we are having, and I want to delete 52. The operation which we have to perform is delete 52. Now 52 is the root node which is having 2 child nodes. Okay, 27 and 90. So here, in case I want to delete a node with 2 child nodes, first of all I need to find out in order traversal for this node, for this tree. So we'll start. 52 is the root. This part is left subtree. This is right subtree. Okay, so left, root, right. We'll start from the left. Again it is a subtree. Again apply an order, left, root, right. Okay, so it will be 5, 27, 30. Left subtree of 52 is traversed. Now root will be traversed, so 52. Then right subtree will come to right subtree. In this also, left, root, right. Root is 90, left is this part. Now again in the left we are having a subtree, so left, root, right. That means 50, 60, 70. Then root, which is 90, and in the right we are not having anything, so here only our traversal will end. So we can see from here, in order successor of 52 is 50. 52 is the node which we want to delete, and in order successor is 50 for 52. So what we have to do, we have to replace 52 with 50. So what we are going to do, so 50, here 50 will come, okay, 27, 5, 30, 90, 60, here 52 will come. So we have swapped 50 and 52. Simply you have to find out the in order successor of the node which you want to delete. You have to swap it with that node, and the node with which you'll swap, that must be your leaf node. So simply that will be removed. Okay, so this will be the scenario in case you want to delete a node with 2 child nodes. Now here you can see, after removing this 52, you can see that the properties of BST are still intact. All the nodes which are lying in the left of 50 are less than 50. All the nodes which are lying in right of 50 are having value more than 50. Okay, so this is the case that if you want to perform a delete operation, you have to consider these 3 cases. All 3 cases are, the first case says that if the node you want to delete is a leaf node, then simply you can delete it. Okay, you can replace the node with the null. Easily you can delete that node. In case the node which you want to delete is having 1 child, then you have to replace the node which you want to delete with the single child which it is having. Then the third case says that if in case you want to delete a node with 2 child nodes, then in that case you need to find out the in order successor of that node and you need to replace it with that node. Okay, so I hope this must be clear with the help of the examples which I have taken. In case you have any doubt, you can post it in the comment box. Thank you so much.